Hey, this is Alex from Perpetto. In the previous video, we verified that the data tracking is working correctly, and Perpetto receives the required data on all needed pages. In this video, I will show you how you can visually edit our default recommendation templates on each of these slots, approve the style, and eventually activate the recommendations. This is the last step of the integration, and it will remove the activation overlay in your dashboard. You have certainly seen it. It will start your free trial and start helping your users discover your products much faster and easier. Remember that none of these slots that you see here outlined is visible to your visitors currently. This will happen only after you approve them, once you activate them on the last step, and once the particular engine gathers enough data. Most of them will work right away, others would need about a day. So let's start. You can see we are on the home page. On the right side, you see the list with all recommendation slots. Perpetto will select one slot at a time, highlight it, and will await your action to either skip or approve it. You can use the HTML and CSS editor to make adjustments. So we can put that first slot, the home page 2, in our viewing area, and we can edit the HTML and CSS. As we see, we can also edit the title, the number of items, and the template. So we can immediately see that we need 5 items. And we can also see that the titles are aligned in the center, and basically that's it, because we actually use the CSS classes from the shop. That makes it easier for you to have the styling right out of the box. So let's fix that title. You see the 2 tabs, HTML and CSS. This is obviously a CSS declaration that we need to change, and it targets the recommendations title, so we can just go ahead and write here text align center, and something else that we need to do, I guess not. So this is it. When I'm ready with this, I can close it here, and I can either skip or approve the slot. So in this case, I'm going to approve it, and Perpetto will automatically select the next slot on the page, which is home page 1. In this case, the slot above. Now you see it's the same difference. The title is not aligned, so I can expect this to repeat across each slot. So just go ahead, do the change again, or basically I can even select the slot that I just edited. I can copy the CSS that I wrote with the CSS changes. I can then select the slot that I need to edit, and I'm going to paste the entire CSS, which will certainly fix and apply the changes that I have done in the slot below. This one also has to show 5 products, not 6, and so I will approve this one as well. Now it selects the new slot on the category page and alerts us that that slot is not present on the viewed page. So we need to head over to a category page, and there it is. So again, here I need 5 items, and again I need to paste the CSS, and this is it. I can approve it, and the next slot will be on the product page, so I can just head over to one of the products, for example this pair of shoe, and see the product detail page. On this page we have actually 3 slots with 3 different algorithms. So we will start with product page 3, which is the browsing history algorithm, and we will increase the number of products and we'll also apply the CSS changes. Now you can approve or skip. The difference is that if you skip the slot, then once you activate them, this slot that you skipped, it will be highlighted here, will not be activated and people won't be able to see it. You can of course activate it from the dashboard, but once you activate them, this one that you have skipped will be left in the state that you have that you see it here, and it won't be visible to the visitors. So I'm gonna skip this one. You see how it is highlighted here. We have one very important rule, and that is that you must have at least one slot on each page and 2 slots on the product pages. So this one I will approve once I paste the CSS changes. And on the next one, you see immediately that the skip button is disabled. That means that this is because of the rule that you need to activate 2 recommendation slots on a product page. So all we did left here to do is the same that we did for all others. Improve it. And then we have 2 slots on the cart page. So I need to navigate to the cart page. For this, I will just add this product to the basket. Go ahead here and scroll down below to see. There it is, the first one. So this one, the cart page 2 slot, which is the browsing history, I will skip. But I will activate the complementary purchase engine because this is the one cross-selling. And as you see, it doesn't have data currently to show me cross-sell products for this parachute because obviously there are not that many buyers on this shop, but this will take about a day to create the necessary, to gather the necessary data and show results. So don't worry and approve it if you are okay with the template. Now you see we have gone through the process of reviewing the templates for each slot on the pages. We have skipped some, we can go back to them later on, and we have activated the required amount of slots, which is 1 per page and 2 on a product page. So now I can just go ahead and activate them. And this step activates my trial. The slots that have been approved are now going to be visible to visitors if they have enough data. Even if it is activated, this slot will not be visible until it has data to show that particular user, so you don't have to worry about that. And if we click save and exit, we will head back to the dashboard. Very soon this will show some generated revenue from the recommendations and also from your shop. And you can see here that the ones that have been accepted, approved, are now active, and the ones that we have skipped are left on pause. So this is it. Basically, Perpetto is now active, and it helps users discover your products and also optimize your sales. Thank you very much.